Welcome to MMT Chats. This episode is brought to you by ISCAR with new ideas for machining intelligently. Hey MMT followers, Christina Fuges with MoldMaking Technology, and this time I'm back for another quick MMT Chat 5 in 5, and that's 5 best practices in 5 minutes on ways to improve efficiencies. This special MMT Chat series is going to deliver 5 tips and ideas from leading mold builders on ways to improve efficiencies with regards to technology, workforce development, and business management. My guest today is Adam Shaal, who is the Business Development Manager with Roembke Manufacturing and Design out of Indiana. Are you ready, Adam?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. This is quick, rapid fire.
Okay.
Number 1, how do you create and maintain an employee-centered culture?
Yeah, so that happens pretty naturally for us. We're a family-owned business located in a small town in Indiana. So everyone knows each other and everyone knows each other's families. So it's not really something we've had to struggle with. It just kind of occurs naturally. The majority of our employees have been working for us for over 20 years. So
that's good. That's a great family unit. All right.
Yep.
Number 2, what are your top 3 best technology investments or recommendations and why?
Yep. So I would say our recent purchases of a couple of 5-axis machines, those have really helped us gain some efficiencies. And then, continuing to be more vertically integrated. So we've actually bought an automation company a few years ago, brought them in-house, and we recently expanded out to California. So growing our footprint.
Nice. All right. Number 3, what is your latest process improvement?
So we've been focusing a lot over the last couple of years on scheduling and kind of how we approach that. COVID was crazy for everyone. And fortunately or unfortunately, we got tapped to do a bunch of emergency projects related to ventilators. So we really had to shuffle our schedule around and kind of tear up the way that we were looking at things before. And now we kind of look at everything from a holistic approach. We look at every department, every piece of equipment. We're constantly looking at how they're utilized. And, we're lucky because a lot of our employees are trained on multiple work centers, so they can shift around and we can flex our schedule as needed on the fly.
What software do you use for that, or is that something developed in-house?
We developed that in-house, yeah. So I actually worked closely with the schedulers in the shop, and we came up with something, and they're constantly giving me feedback on it, and I'm tweaking the system, and yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, number 4, how do you measure success?
So I think our biggest metrics that we look at is on-time delivery and customer satisfaction. We're not walking away from a project once the mold's done. We stand by it for the life of that mold. If customers have issues and their products don't work, we don't sleep until we get it right. And this is doubly true with our turnkey molding cells because we're not just working on mold, we have to develop a process too. So there's a lot that goes into that, and we'll stand by it, or we'll come visit you. We will do whatever it takes to make it run.
Yep, got it. All right, last but not least, number 5, how do you stay competitive?
So we are constantly investing in new technologies, new pieces of equipment, and employees. We've actually continued to grow throughout the pandemic, which has been very fortunate for us. I think we've hired several people in the last few months alone.
Nice. All right, that's it. That was quick, right? Painless.
Quick.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, thank you, Adam, for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, and to everybody watching, remember, for everything mold making, visit moldmakingtechnology.com. Stay safe and healthy, and most importantly, stay informed and stay inspired.